Hello everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen for another fun experiment. It is a beautiful day outside, so you might want to try this one outside if you want. So today we're going to do another baking soda and vinegar experiment. So we're going to start with some baking soda and some crushed ice. We're going to put a little baking soda in, a little bit of ice, a little baking soda, some crushed ice. Making kind of a big mound with ice and baking soda mixed in. Now I have two colors here, some blue and red, vinegar with food coloring mixed in. And then we're just going to start dropping it. And you'll see the ice turns colors and it starts fizzing. And some red. If you do lots of different colors, you can experiment with color mixing. And just keep doing different parts, watching it fizz up. It's very exciting. And if you have a big mound of ice, it will take a long time to get through all of the baking soda. I hope you guys have fun trying this experiment at home. Oh, color mixing orange. And I'll talk to you again soon. So my daughter wanted us to get a good close-up of the baking soda fizzing up. Also a nice close-up of the baking soda color mixing as it's fizzing. Obviously, the more colors you do, the more color mixing you will get. It's very addicting. You also get a better color if you use clear vinegar instead of apple cider vinegar. All right, enjoy this experiment. I hope you guys have fun. Bye.